Are you looking for a fun and easy drone that you can fly indoors or outdoors that also offers a HD camera? Two cameras. There's going to be a front-facing camera and then a downwards camera for helping with obstacle avoidance. You're going to get this nice case. Here's your controller. You're going to get some extra blades. You're going to get an extra battery. One's already on the unit. It's rechargeable through USB-C. It snaps in. You have these guards too as well that can go on each side. The drone offers lights and easy to fly. So we can go ahead and turn on our drone. Power button here, you have to press in a little hard. You'll be greeted with some lights and a sound. And once it goes, let's turn this off and that back on. There you go. Once the lights are solid, you are connected. You can control the lights too as well with this button right here, turning the lights on and off. Here's your controller. You have your on and off button. You have a takeoff and landing button, so you can control the camera. Now you can also download the app and have your phone in this too as well and see like a POV in a sense. It comes with this adapter here, and this is a spring loaded so it can fit your phone. It does hold my 16 Pro Max in there. So it does fit that size phone, and this will just snap in right here, clicks in, and then you have your phone right here, and then you're flying by looking. Now I like to fly without the phone just because I'm playing inside with the kids. So I don't use that feature, but you can download the app and get that all set up. But I like to just fly, pop that piece back in as is. So let's go ahead, turn our lights on. Let's go ahead and fly it. There's our drone. Let's go ahead and try it. You can just turn it on by pushing this left stick up to turn the blades on. And it's quiet and it's smooth. Let's go down a little bit, as you can see in the camera. All right, we've taken off. You can see here, I'm going to hit the wall just to show you how easy it is. If your kids are flying it in the house, hitting the wall, and it's pretty stable. Not doing anything. It's staying in place. It's hovering nicely. You can control our camera. So really easy to fly. This one is nice to fly, easy to maneuver in the house. You can land with one button, take off with a button. Get it down in frame here for you. Pretty smooth. I do like this. It's super easy to fly. It's fun to fly indoors. You can see there just, we'll go ahead and take a landing. One button to land. Bada bing, bada boom. Really cool. Check it out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do a review.